Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to log in into an online banking account of Scotia. I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, before you try to log in into an online banking account of Scotia or any other bank, you must make sure that you already have an account or register into an online banking account. Only then you'll be able to log in. So moving on, first thing you need to do is open up your web browser, and then on the search box you'll need to type in the link that is www.scotiabank.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. So as you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and this is what the interface is going to look like. So right on this page, in order to log in into your account, tap on sign in the top right. If you're new to Scotiabank, then what you can do is you can simply create an account by just clicking on activate now. If you don't know how to create an account, I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below on how you can register or enroll into an online banking account of Scotia. You'll be directed to the sign in interface or the sign in page. So here you can see right in center, you need to provide the information in order to log in into your account. So you can either provide a user ID or card number and a password associated with your Scotiabank. In case you're having trouble signing in, then you can simply tap on need help signing in, which is right at the bottom, and after that you have some alternative, then you'll be able to solve the issue. After you're done entering your login detail, after that you've successfully logged into your online banking account of Scotia. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.